snow came early that year. It was heavier than usual. It stayed, too, and choked the lines. Most engines hate snow. Donald and Douglas were used to it. They knew what to do. Their drivers spoke to the inspector, and they were soon coupled back to back with a van between their tenders. Then, each with a snowplough on their fronts, they set to work. They puffed busily backwards and forwards, patrolling the line. Generally, the snow slipped away easily, but sometimes they found deeper drifts. Then they would charge them again and again, snorting, slipping, puffing, panting, till they had forced their way through.
Presently, they came to a drift which was larger than most. They charged it and were just backing for another try when... "Help! Help! Lost six, Donald! It's Henry! Don't worry yourself, Henry. Wait a while. We'll have you out." Henry was very grateful. He saw all was not well. The twins were looking glum. They told him Sir Topham Hatt was making a decision. "He'll send us away for sure."
"It's a shame," sympathized Percy. "A lot of nonsense about a signal box," grumbled Gordon. "Too many of those, if you ask me." "That brake van, too," put in James. "Good riddance, that's what I say." "They were splendid in the snow," added Henry. "It isn't fair." They all agreed that something must be done, but none knew what. One day, Percy talked to Edward about it.
"What you need," said Edward, "is a deputation." He explained what that was. Percy ran back quickly. "Edward says we need a depot station." "Of course," said Gordon. "The question is..." "What is a desperation?" asked Henry. "It's when engines tell Sir Topham Hatt something's wrong," said Percy. "Did you say tell Sir Topham Hatt?" asked Duck thoughtfully. There was a long silence. "I propose," said Gordon, "that Percy be our disputation." "Me?" squeaked Percy. "I can't." "Rubbish, Percy," said Henry. "It's easy." "That's settled, then," said Gordon. Poor Percy wished it wasn't. "Hello, Percy. It's nice to be back." Percy jumped. Yes, sir, please, sir." "You look nervous, Percy. What's the matter?" "Please, sir, they've made me a desperation, sir. To speak to you, sir. I don't like it, sir." Sir Topham Hatt pondered. "Do you mean a deputation, Percy?" Yes, sir, please, sir. It's Donald and Douglas. They say, sir, that if you send them away, sir, well, they'll be turned into scrap, sir. That would be dreadful, sir. Please, sir, don't send them away. Thank you, Percy. That will do. I had a deputation. I understand your feelings, and I've given a lot of thought to the matter.
But I do not approve of interference. He paused impressively.
Donald and Douglas, I hear that your work in the snow was good. You shall have a new coat of paint. The twins were surprised. Thank ye, sir. But your names will be painted on you. We'll have no more mistakes. Thank ye, sir. Does this mean that the both of us? Sir Topham Hatt smiled. It means... But the rest of his speech was drowned in a delighted chorus of cheers and whistles.